Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change default browser on your Lenovo Horizon 2. So in order to do that, you will need to press the start button right here, or either press on this button. Now scroll down and find settings. Press on the apps. And now go to default apps. From here scroll down and find web browser. Press on it and change to whichever browser you like that. Switch anyway. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.